Dear friend, it's been a long, long while. I've been meaning to write you, but it was never my style. But what is these days? Now I'm a family man. You blow sincere kisses to mistresses, secrets on afternoons. Do you wear your disguises, feign the surprises at the question she asks when she dares to accuse? Does your past lie under a dust sheet in the corner of a musty garage? That's where I keep mine now. Now I'm a family man. Are your horses still running when the bookie shops close? Is the band still together? Did you ever get on the road? We chased the same women and we drank the same beer. We came as a pair and we run around here. How are you these days? Now you're a family man. Give my regards to Nina, slam of tequila, and I'll write you at Christmas, or I'll send you a card. But if you pass by, you're welcome to drop in and see me, 'cause it's unlikely I'll be round your way. 'Cause I'm happy to be where I am, living life as a family man. Do you still have your letters, or did you give them away? Do you still dream of Joni and sidewalk cafes? Is your Norton still running? Is the old man still alive? Do you still get to doubt? Is your rent still as high? But I suppose you've a mortgage. Now you're a family man. Dear friend, it's been a long, long while. I've been meaning to write you, but it was never my style. But what is these days? Now I'm a family man.